All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video on Jetstar. Couple of big bombs dropped in from Jetstar from the last week. I did tell you that big news is coming because the team is working heavily on the marketing section this entire week, and we are seeing the results right now. Yeah, right. So before we begin in this video, I'm just going to what you already see it on the page. Yeah. So we'll just run through two of the major updates that we have, as well as some updates that we have got on Twitter and what would happen today with the burn. So, having said that, before I start the video, the same old disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, or neither is this any financial advice. Please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space out there. Having said that, also, just to add now, my own bet, be wary about scams and protect your crypto assets as well. Do check out my video on how you can avoid trust wallet scams. That's there in the playlist. You can just go check that out as well, just in case you wanted to know. Now, moving on, big announcements coming in. Nice to see. It's not even a month old. Again, I'm quoting. It's not even a single month old. And Jetstar already has a partnership or an alliance with Frag Games, as well as they've recently forged. I mean, it's today that they released on Twitter as well, and I'm happy to see that they've immediately updated that on the website. That's really nice. So coming to that, they have also forged a new alliance with an artist called Aaron B. Miller. Now, who is Aaron Miller? Even I was not aware, but when I saw the names of the art for Magic the Gathering, Hearthstone, and Lucas Arts, that triggered a lot of things in my brain. Hearthstone, as you all know, all those gamers out there, that's a beautiful game. I don't know, it's simply awesome. Just that one word is what I would put across. LucasArts, it was part of your Star Wars series. Yes, he was. He did some artwork, so that's a very big plus point and the add-on, because that's where the previous theme of Jetstar is based on, right? The Star Wars theme is what Jetstar is based on. Intergalactic characters, all those stuff. So think of the imagination and the creativity that this artist can add in. Man, this was mind blowing. In fact, I always keep saying in all my videos, I got into Jetstar only because of the artists and the creative artwork that they have been putting it. Now, Agora is the marketplace which they will have their NFTs launched, and that marketplace is definitely going to be huge. Trust me on that. The amount of artists' creativity and the hard effort that they're putting in, and imagine this new alliance having this artist's artwork portrayed over there would add a whole new level of opportunity. Because see, it's not about people knowing about this artist, but people who know about the artist, or the artist himself, in fact, will have a backing community with him. So when any artist as such signs up a contract, it's as good as some percentage of his fan followers coming into the project as well. That's how easy it looks. That's where you have the celebrity influence, right? So it's definitely nice to see that this partnership triggered will fuel the organic growth again. It's not a hype, it's not anything that's going up to a pump and dump kind of a system. It's an organic growth that we are looking at, and Jetstar has been growing organically in the past few days as well. So very nice to see this partnership coming into picture, in fact, with the Frag Games as well as this artist. And look at some of his artwork. This is his website. Now, I would like to go ahead to the shop. This is what I would like to show you. Look at these cards. Look at the artwork. So imagine this would be the this is the kind of artwork that we would actually look at in all those, just a sample, guys, but all those card games that are going to come out. Imagine the artwork that would be there on those card games. I mean, the card game, to be precise. I'm sorry, the card game for Jetstar. Yes, the card game would be the beginning, is what I heard on the Telegram group as well. So that's where, I mean, it was also posted on the review. I mean, the interview portion. I've also covered that in my other video. Please do go ahead and check that out for more details on that as well. So they are not coming out with one game. They're coming out with two games. One is an MMORPG that would definitely take some time. Say a short duration of 6 to 9 months. That's the least that I can actually put across. Because see, game development at that level would definitely involve a lot of effort. But yeah, considering that the NFT marketplace itself will definitely be really nice, because we will see a lot of artists who would portray their artwork, as well as some beautiful artwork that would be coming out. So with this artist also on board right now with a partnership, I'm definitely excited to see what is coming in the NFT market space that they would be launching in the month of November. Really good news. And in the end, before I stop this video, do not forget to attend the AMA today. That's happening at 1 p.m. GST, 23rd September. That's today. Mark the date and the time. That's 1 p.m. GMT. I'm sorry if I said GST earlier. Okay, it was 1 p.m. GMT. It is 1 p.m. GMT, and I will also be trying to stream it. I'm just trying to get some setup done. So this would be my first live stream. I would like to stream this on my YouTube channel as well. You can feel free to come back and have a quick chat with me. We can get to know each other, and probably if you have any questions that you would like to post, you can post them as well in the chat section, wherein I would be able to help you out to, probably I can filter out few questions which are there, and probably ask them on the Telegram portion, I mean side as well. But on the sidelines, I always would like to ask my viewers to get a first hand information. So instead of you asking a question here in the chat and me asking that in the Telegram group, it's always better that you join the Telegram group directly. It's free of cost, no one is charging you for joining it. And just join the AMA, join the Telegram group just for the AMA, guys. Even though you're not an investor, just join it for the AMA duration. And then once you feel you're confident to go ahead and invest in this token after the AMA, go ahead and do so. If not, leave the group. It's absolutely fine. It's your decision ultimately at the end of the day. But yeah, do check out my other videos on Jetstar. All my reviews, they're all unbiased. I'm no way affiliated to Jetstar just to be quoted. Okay, I'm just a normal crypto investor and a normal person who does my own research and probably would like to share the same knowledge that I get to all the viewers out there. It's as simple as it gets. So when I feel that some project is actually good and it's worth investing a lot, and lot of people can definitely make some money, that is when I would definitely like to go ahead and push my videos towards that, so that a lot of people get visibility. And it's end of the day, you would like to make money, right? Who wouldn't like to? So that's the only thing that I want to portray across. So do attend the AMA. Do not miss that out. Just to understand the team, just to understand how Jetstar works. I'll also be there, and I'll also be streaming it live on my YouTube channel today. Watch out the date, 23rd September. That's today, and the time 1 p.m. GMT. Adding a little bit of bonus, the burn is happening today for 5%. That is 5 million tokens of Jet will be burned today during the AMA that would happen. So it's during the AMA that would happen. The burn is going to happen today as well. And to all those people who are holding Jet, reflections. Yes, you will be getting the reflections from this 5 million burn. So if you are still thinking of getting Jetstar, get it right now before the burn happens, so that you would be able to enjoy the reflections. And like I've always quoted, get a minimum of 1,000 Jet, you would be eligible for a free NFT. Yes, that's going to drop down as soon as we reach 1,000 holders who have minimum 1,000 Jet. Now if your bags are deep or you want to invest more, then if you're one among the top 100 of these 1,000 holders, then you would also be getting an additional NFT. So it would be two NFTs that you would be getting, being top, okay, being in one of the top 100 holders. If you are just having a normal 1,000 Jet coin with you, you would be getting a one single NFT drop. But that's also good. Anything that you're getting for free, and trust me, I am really excited for the NFT that I would be receiving, mainly because of the artwork that they have. Check their website, check the details, check all the artwork. This is just a sample, guys. If you are in the Telegram group, you are seeing that a lot of people are the promotion artwork that they have, even on the Twitter for Agora, or some of the characters or some of the announcements. That was really sick. I really loved this particular poster being edited in such a way that it has all the announcements in one space, and you have this fire coming out and all the stuff. It was really sick and cool. I really loved that. And my personal favorite, I really love to get this NFT in my wallet when the drop happens, if in case this is the NFT that they're going to distribute. I would really love this. But yeah, let's see what happens. Else, if there is an option for me to buy it, I'm definitely behind buying this NFT as well. So let's check that out. Nice to see this. And that's where I'm saying this project has a good potential, because they are entering into a space where uh, it is still very very new. Baby steps are being taken. you see a lot of gaming related cryptos where it's just simple in the baby steps. They have not even penetrated at least 5 to 20, 10% of the entire market out there. Trust me on that. They have not even penetrated at least 5 to 10%. Once we have that penetration in place, once we make that ease of use for all the users out there, once we make that the entire gaming universe out there to convert themselves from the retro the regular gaming part to the crypto GameFi space. I'm not speaking only of Jetstar, I'm speaking of any project that is out there in the GameFi space. Think of the potential that this would have. I'm definitely speaking in terms of billions of dollars, billions of dollars. That's the potential that any GameFi project has, and Jetstar has a very good team in terms of creativity, and their projects are very much straightforward. They know their goal. It's as simple as that. They know their goal. They know what they want to achieve, and they are working towards it. Pure work based, result oriented team, and not really depending on any hype as such that's happening in the market. So if you see many of their posts, there is no hype involved, right? So the regular marketing strategies of buy Jetstar, buy it before this, I mean, those are not hypes. I'm speaking about those unwanted, keep spamming kind of hypes is what I'm actually quoting as, right? So these are good partnerships that we have, long term partnerships. In fact, this is not short term. It's not like frag games would be there only for a couple of months and then it would be gone, because a game development definitely will take a lot of time than just a couple of months, right? And after that, I've been saying it's not just about the development, it's also about maintenance of or sustenance of the platform. So that also will be a partnership which we can definitely see for a longer term. So this is not something that is going to get ended within a couple of days. These are long term alliances that the team is forging, and that definitely puts the crypto in a very good spot. Okay, compare that with Saitama, where they are also partnering with many people for a long term. So any crypto project that partners with some good industries and some good influential people out there for a long term, that is only thought that they want to sustain in the market. They have a vision in place, and they want to establish themselves as a brand in the crypto industry, right? Having said that, I'll end my video here. Please do subscribe and share this video to all those people to share this update as well. And again, before I cut the screen off, AMA happening today on Telegram. Please join 1 p.m. GMT. The burn is also going to happen. So if you're planning to purchase Jet, purchase it right now so that you will be able to get the reflections. That's the only advice or suggestion that I can give. But again, if you want to still wait for the AMA, run through the AMA once and then decide whether to buy or not. It's your decision. Feel free to do so. But do attend the AMA just to understand the team as well as the project, so you would know what I'm speaking of, right? So on the other note, yes, I will be streaming the AMA live on my YouTube channel. Feel free to join in there as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have fun.